Running your LLM model locally is great for business privacy, but starting it manually every day is a friction point and you lose time. So you shouldn't have to type terminal commands just to open your workspace. I've automated my setup using two simple batch scripts that you can see over here. So instead of multiple windows, I have a start and stop button right on my taskbar. So let me show you how it works and why it's important. If I click this Start AI bat file, it will automatically open my Ollama, and now it will open my UI. You can see it here on localhost, and you just need to wait for a few moments for system to boot up. After it's done, we just refresh the localhost, and it will automatically log me in and choose my local LLM here. Let me explain what this script does. First, it points all data to the dedicated folder. I create a dedicated folder for this called AI Business, for example, and it keeps all the data inside this folder, so we keep the system clean. As I said, it enables auto login, so you can skip the password screen each time. And it launches Ollama and Open WebUI in the background and opens your browser automatically. So what if you want to stop this? For example, if I close this, when you close the browser window, it doesn't always free up your hardware. So to stop the script, we ensure the Python backend and the Ollama engine are fully closed, releasing your GPU's VRAM for other tasks like video editing or gaming. And now you click this stop bat and it will shut down all the systems. Make sure to wait for 30 seconds before you start anything that is GPU heavy, because it needs some short time to completely, drain or vaporize your memory. So with this simple setup, you have a professional one-click AI office that respects your privacy and your time. And for the exact code and a step-by-step guide, I've linked my full LinkedIn article in the description. And if you find this helpful, feel free to subscribe for more AI business insights, and thanks for watching.